My name's Gary Watson, the Managing Director of Walsingham Motor Insurance Limited. We're a Managing General Agent working on behalf of New India, we're our capacity, and we write business in the commercial fleet environment. Management information is core to everything we do. Our risk selection, the way we write business is all basically dictated to by the information we have available to us and understanding exactly the nature of the business we're writing. The better our information, the better our selection of risks, the better our understanding of whether or not we're writing profitable business. Bad data is a real problem for the insurance market. Various reasons behind that, the use of EiB messaging to transmit data. A lot of that emanates from systems and software setups which have bad validation at the front end, therefore allowing poor data to come through, which is then shared amongst the community, which obviously, if you've got bad data coming in, you've got poor information coming out. We were making some poor judgments on our underwriting book based on poor information. The use of Excel in business has saved us money because we now know what we're writing and we know if we're going to write profitable business. In terms of the cost savings that we've made as a result of this, there's two sides. There's a subjective cost of knowing that we're actually truly producing data that we can rely on and trust, and the other side that we haven't got underwriters sometimes spending 5, 6, 7 days a month producing management information, which is crazy. One of the biggest benefits we got from AppSuite was actually the fact that we revalidated all of the data we were holding on our software system. So as a result of that, we actually found out things that we didn't know about our data. I'd say the differential with EiB is they do fully understand that there's a business being run at the same time as trying to deliver software solutions. Many players in the market are very good at coming in, leaving a project plan and saying off we go, without understanding you're still trying to attempt to run a business at the same time. We obviously looked at other potential solutions for management information around the market, and one of the great beauties about EiB is that it actually is a sensible cost base around the licensing of it. It allows us to actually develop something, number one, that doesn't frighten the life out of my financial director, but actually allows us to build and spend money as and when we need it. The best word to describe our relationship with EiB is partnership. It is something which is widely used and widely abused in this market. Majority of suppliers will use the word partnership in every presentation they give to you at the start, but very rarely will they deliver it when it comes to a project. My top 3 tips for anyone looking at investing in management information is, number one, realise before you start that there's every possibility your data isn't as clean as you think it is. We had our eyes wide open by the fact that the first time we ran some validation with EiB that we had a lot of poor data in there. The second one I'd say is be prepared to actually work with EiB on this. They can't read your mind. You need to set out and turn around and tell them what your problems are, what your requirements are. And thirdly, just appreciate the fact that this is about timely data and accurate data. Take time to get your data right, and once your data's right, the rest will follow. I would firmly recommend EiB to anyone looking for a good management information partner. They are a partnership. They will come to you, they'll work with you, and they'll deliver the solution you need.